Okay. Now, I need to identify every mission, every device. I can say every device like mobile, tablet, or computer or laptop. Okay, any server. Every mission having a IP address that should be unique. Okay, it should be unique IP addresses. Why? Because of, see, general words. If you suppose, if here, if you we are the persons in India, with in which basis you can able to identify nowadays. Previously, it is not there. Now we have like Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number should be unique, right? Everybody having Aadhaar. That IP, sorry, that ID having unique. It should not give to another person. Same here also, same thing. Every device having one IP address. Okay. Just how I can able to identify this is Windows, right? IP config. See this my laptop. I think so. I am using Wi-Fi. I'm using Wi-Fi, right? For this is the IP address. Okay. My computer having some 196 some IP address. Something it is giving. What is this subnet mask? We'll discuss one by one. Maximum. Okay, this is 192. Make sure 192, 168. Just this. Notice this one. 192, 255. What is this? Okay. Now, IP config I have given in Windows, right? Okay. I'm opening Linux machine. This is Linux machine. I started one mission. How you can able to know uname -a, say Linux. We didn't use this command, right? We have some lot of commands are there. Linux machine. How I can able to give IP address if config. See, I think so. See, this one started with 10 dot something. One more is two IP addresses. This is 192. What is the difference between 10.0? Keep in mind 10. Okay. 192. What is that? Oh, see, 127. Loop back. Okay. These things we need to know. What is the difference between 92, 192, 10, and 127? What is this? We have networking concepts like IP classes we have. See, some ranges. Okay, networking range. This one is class, first class, range, and subnet mask. Okay. Now, class, we have some different classes are there. A class, B class, C class, D class, some something like E class. What is the use of that? We are into which class? That we need to know. Okay. A class. Okay. First number is 1, right? 1, 0, 0, 0. 2, last value 255. Keep in mind, up to 255 we have. 1 to 255 only we have. 256 we don't have. You have seen, right? 10 dot it has been started. One more is 192 it has been started. One more is 127. But if you see 125, only 120, sorry, 255, that is maximum. Say 255, 255, 256, it's not there. 257, it's not there. They didn't, networking, we don't have maximum 255. 1 to 255, keep in mind. See this one, IP addresses max. But how it has been differentiated? 1 to, let me, 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 255, 255, 255, 255. That's it, max. We don't have 256 or 257. That is the reason. How it will be calculating? One mission has been assigned with 1.0.0.1, 1.0.0.2, like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up to 255 it will go. Then it will start with 2 here. Let me give you how it will be calculating. See, first one, okay, 0. Second one, 0, 0. Keep in mind. Sorry, this one is 1, right? How the numbers will be floating? 3, 1 or 0.03. Sorry, yes, 4 man, 4. Like this, 5. Now, 5. In your college, 500 missions are there. They started with 1001. Okay, they won't go with 0. That is the first step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that, it will be going to 500 missions, they told. 500 missions, they are. Every mission should have IP address, right? Like this, up to it will go to okay, 255 completed. Now 255 it is complete. Then what you need to do, what we have to do, then 255 machines are there. Now 1 dot completed, 0 dot 0. Here 1 started, now 0. 1, 0, 1 dot 1. Like this, it will keep on going. See how many ranges, how many numbers are there if you calculate 1 to 255, how many, some thousands, 65,000 something you will get the IP addresses. Okay, you can calculate how many IP addresses we have, 1 to 255 like this. 2, 3, then finished, then finished. 255. Okay, now second number 2, 3, 4 like that up to end, 255, 255. This is very important, 255. Up to here, it will stop. Okay, like this, 255, you can Google it, how many IP addresses, some millions of numbers you're getting. Okay, like this. But we need to know about the classes. Like this only. Up to A class means, what is the endpoint to do that? What is that? A class is 1002. Okay. 126. 126. Okay. 255. 255. 255. This is okay. This is the range up to 255. This is A range. Subnet is 255. It is the end, right? 255, 0, 0, 0. This is the subnet range. Means up to, it will stop there. Because endpoint is, last one is 255, 255, 255. You have to get it. Right? Like. Now B class. 128.0.0.0 to 191.255, 255, 255. Subnet is 255, 255. This is the formula, just like a formula I can say. This class has been divided by networking model. 7 layers are there based on that. Okay, you will get it, I think so, in BTech or MCA, you will get the networking concepts, same IP addresses wherever if you learn or BTech or BSc or MCA or something like. Okay, now this is the thing. C class. If you notice, that I 127 it is not there. Okay, 127 it is not there. Why? I will discuss. C class 192 0.0.0 to 192 192 255 255 255. C class. We are into C class. I'll tell you. Okay, C class. Our laptop is 192, right? If you see this, this one is also 192 IP address. Okay. See 127. I didn't mention 127 here. 127, it is not there. I'll tell you. Any computer, your computer also log in your laptop and verify it. You can notice that 192 something you will get it. 192 in your laptop, right? IP config, if you give that, one is for Wi-Fi. It will be this one you can see. 192.56 something you may get it. Because your lap computer, right? That is why it started with 1. This one is like think Wi-Fi adapter, Wi-Fi. Every device and every network having one IP address. See, 255, 255, 255. Which class you are in? 168 also second class only, third class only. See 192, 0 or something. At last number 255, subnet is, sorry, you have to give 255. See, subnet 255, 255, this one. Like this, you have 3 classes. 3 classes generally we are using. 3 classes. Okay. Then 4th class, D. 224 0 0 0 0 2 239 239 255 255 255. See, this one is subnet also, same subnet. I can say 255 255 255, but we'll call it as a reserved for multicasting. Okay, multicasting for that like any I can say any some military like that we can use. We won't use D and C classes. We won't use at all. Okay. C. Okay. E class. I can say media. I can say this one. Some we are not using D and C classes. Last one 240. If you notice anywhere, no, you can't see second and sorry D class and C class, E class. Sorry. We cannot able to see that. You cannot able to see. Okay, that is different. 290, 240. Sorry, 240, 240. 254 because 255 last, right? 255. 255. 255. This we won't remember anyhow. R&D. R&D purpose means research and development, like ISRO. Okay, ISRO. And like we have something, right? In US also we have some organization, rocket or something R&D they are doing, right? I forgot that. NASA or something, right? They'll be using these IP addresses for their devices. They are using these numbers 240, 254 up to that, right? But we are into, suppose corporate companies are using 10 dot, 10 dot, 0 dot or something. This first train, A class they'll be using. Second, also some cases they'll be using, okay, we are using C class. Okay, anyhow, any class we can use based on your applications. Our applications are starting with 10 dot, some applications 192, like that, same cases like we are using. Okay, but any application from basic to high level application, it will be starting with 192 only. Now, my internet will verify our internet. Okay. Now, IP address. My internet IP. Just my IP address. IP4. What is the difference between IP4 and IP6? It will be, see, like decimals, numerics, numbers are coming. Okay. Once this is filled, then it will go. Okay. As of now, we are into four only because we have lot of IPs are there. If it is filled, then we are going to 6. Highly secured. What is the IP address of 49, 200, 204, 196, 201? We don't see 255, 201. What is this IP address? Copy this. Can anybody can say in which range, which class? It is in which class? Tell in the chat. It is in which class now? Anybody replied? No one.
A class unto
Correct.
in 1.6.
Guys, please respond. Okay, how I come to know whether you are able to understand or not something. You can mention in the chat also without knowing something. Best, right? Okay. Anyhow, no problem. This is in A class. You can go through that based on the IP of 49. 1 to 126 means in between only, right? 49. For that reason, first class, A class. Right. Now, where is 127? What is that? Oh, A class, it's not like A class, I will tell you. 127 dot 0000 to 127 255 255 255. This is for reserved for loopback. Okay, this we'll call it as a. What is the use of this one? What is the use of loopback? We have seen, right? Now, whether what is the loopback means? See, What is the IP address of this one? Our mission IP address, this one. Okay. Where it is there, I'm using some network, I forgot, Airtel or something. Okay. What I'm doing is, see here, this is my machine. I want to test it. I want to test it, whether it is pinging or not. Okay. See, normally what happens is we have so many servers are there in our organization. You need to verify whether it is working fine or not. It is responsible or not. Responsible means if you give any request, say, if I send a message to anybody in WhatsApp, hi, okay. Once you have seen, if you replied, what happens? That is called pinging. We'll call it as a pinging. If you get the response, that is called pinging. If it is not responded, if your net is off, single tick something, that is not responding. For that reason, what you need to do is ping. You have to use ping command, the IP address. IP address is fine because it is generated for me. Just pinging. See, it is replying. See, okay. Go to the server, wherever the server is there. This is my server. You are pinging from your laptop. Okay. Okay. You are ping something you have given the command. It will go to the server and take the response. Okay. Take the response and giving reply to that. Okay. Taking the request and replying back. That we'll call it as a loop back. Okay. That we'll call it as a loop back. Means giving your whatever the pinging to the server and replying back. Anything, whether it is working fine or whether it is not working fine, also no problem. Now, let me clear this. Now, I will give the 202. Whether it is not there, if it is there, it will ping. We don't know. See, it is not there, I think so. No IP address is there. That is why it is going to that server. It is wherever it will verify that. Then it is coming the reply with timed out. No, sorry. It is giving the, okay. If you go and see in your internet IP address, verify the IP address and tell me, say I put it in the chat, I'll ping from here. It will ping. Go to your device and verify the IP address and give to, you can respond to in the chat. Okay, I'll reply. It will be replying for you. Fine. That is the use of loopback. Go to the mission and verifying and give the reply. That we'll call it as a loopback. That is reserved. Same number is being reserved for everywhere. You can verify in your laptop also. You can verify. You will get it this one. See, I'll see this one somewhere else, right? And yeah, loopback. Here it is loopback. Okay, this is for your ping testing. It will go to that server wherever it is going there and verifying and give the answer for you. For that reason, we have IP address has been reserved 127 to 127, 255, 255, 255. That is the reason I didn't mention any class. It's not there. See, 127. It's not there. It's not in A class, B class, even C class. It is in separate class that we'll call it as a loopback. These IP addresses we need to know. Every mission having some IP addresses. How many IP addresses from? We'll Google it. We'll see. Some website is there calculating. We know that already we discussed. Okay. Now see here how many hosts you can able to. This is network bits. I'll tell you one by one. We are need to go. Okay, I'll tell you one by one. This is keep in note. I'll put in the chat also. We'll
Oh,
discuss this one. Very important. /8 slash 9/10 like that we have, right? What is the difference? All those things we'll go with that one by one. Networking is a big concept. If you know the IP addresses, configurations, and all those things, your complete Google Cloud, any cloud is easy for you. Okay, very important things are this one only. Fine. Now, see one more thing. This is okay. This is any doubts like this, it will be calculated. One more is public network, private network. What is this? See, public network is, it's in public. See, what is the IP address of my computer? IP address. Find not required. Yeah, this is the website. Keep in mind. You can mark this. Okay, very useful. 1 minute, guys. Um, See, now IP address. Okay. This IP address is in public. This IP address, as of now, it is allocated for me. Okay, wherever throughout world, it is not reserved for anyone. This is for me only. If I restart the machine, that is different case. That will be generated by with a new one. As of now, it is in public. Every device, every website having a unique IP address. That is in public. See, for example, Google is there. Google website, ping google.com. See, what is this IP address it is giving? It is in some Mac or something. It is in this. It is keep on going. I can see 5 times it will count and verify. See, 192, 250, 195, 142. It is in which class? 142. Verify. 142 is in which class? I think B class. 142. 142. 191, right? 142 is in B class. Okay. This is reserved for Google hosting. See this one, Google. Same I'm giving here in my Windows machine. This is Linux machine. Okay. Ping google.com. Here it is not displaying. Okay, they given some restriction, but it is giving reply. Okay, for this we have a IP address. Okay. Now go ping Wipro. See, 18.2578.10. This is the IP address for that. 18 means A class. It is not requesting. It's not going reply to the server. They are not allowed. Okay, they secure the server. Mean to say, public IP address can able to access everywhere. anyone can access from anywhere. Okay, anyone can access from anywhere. That is the use of public. It is reserved for you. Suppose I have a application. I need to build a application. I want to test it. Okay. For that reason, it will generate a public IP. That should be unique. Okay. Now, private. Private IP address will be generated for you only. Okay. Nobody cannot able to access it. In your org, in your organization. Now, for example, we discussed it, right? We have given some IP. My IP address is, okay, let it be Google IP address is this one. Okay. Can I use this one can I use in my website, same IP for my website, same IP? No. My website, some site said something. My website is abc.com. Okay. Can I use this 142.50.195.142? No. Why? It is in public. I cannot able to use. What I have to do? I can buy some IP. You have to buy 143, something like. If it is not available, you cannot able to. It is reserved for Google. 143. If it is available, you can take it. No, it's not available. It has been locked with Flipkart or something. Okay, then you need to go with 45. Okay, that is called public network. Okay, fine. My series is this one. I want to use this one. Same IPs like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something I want to use. Yes. If you want to use in your private network, you can use this one. Understood? Any IP address, whatever, up to this one only. This is ABC classes. You can use publicly or privately. Public should be unique. Suppose somebody has been reserved 142 server, that you cannot able to use it. You have to use another IP address. It's for private, it's not like that. You can use anything because it is in your organization only. You are not allowing to outside network, right? One is this is one is development, this is one is testing, this is one is pre-production, this is something local missions only. I want to make it live means if it is not there, this is your production server. www.abc.com. Okay, but I cannot able to use 142 mission. This is for Google, right? Google IP address. No, you can use internally. You can use internal, private. You can use it. No problem. You can use private. Okay. This one is production is public because it should be unique. 145, it's not reserved for anybody because that IP address is yours. Okay, the differentiation you know, right? Suppose. Any doubts, any questions? Lot of things are there. I will tell you one more thing. We need to know that. Going to the, where is that our mission? Console. Everything is related to our cloud. Okay. It's not related to GCP. It's not related to like GCP only. It is universal. These IP addresses and all those things you can use in AWS. Same concept is same to same. AWS, Azure, Alibaba Cloud, Oracle Cloud, any cloud is same to same. Now I want to create a compute engine. First, we need to go with networking. Just I am comparing. I'll show you how to do all those things, how to create a public IP, how to do that IP configurations and all those things. Just you can see now. One machine I'm creating, instance one. Nothing to worry. Just 25, right? This verify. You can make it minimize the amount. 4 GB is not required. Micro. Okay, 7. Create it. Now see this one internal IP is nothing but private IP. This one is external IP. Means you can able to ping this one. This is unique. This is reserved for you only. Just copy this one, ping. See, it is giving reply. Why? It is in public. You can use whatever you want to do that. Anybody can ping. Say same command you can use from your devices also. I'm putting in the chat. You can use in your ping it. It will reply. Okay. This is private 10.128.04. Both are in which class? One is 10, one is for 32. You can open this one. One is 10, one is 32. Both are in A class only because this is all enterprise related applications, right? They are reserving A class only. Sometimes you will get it B class also, but as of now, it is allocated A class. What is the IP address of internal one? Something it is, right? 10 dot, it won't ping. See, it is not pinging. Time dot. Where it will ping? It is pinging in my application only. Even you cannot able to ping. If you create a GCP account also, it won't ping. Where I can ping, see here, in this shell, both it will ping. Why? Because of both are in same place, right? Same application, same project. This one, do some homework, go through this one. What is this /8/9? Go through this one. Tomorrow we'll discuss. If I say daily just now, it will confuse for you. See, it is connected, right? Just it is created one shell. Ping. Okay, 10. It will ping. See now. It is not allowed to ping. It will ping internally in his mission only. Self-pinging. Okay. In this instance, it will ping. If you log into that mission, it will ping. Okay. This is outside, right? That is the security of that. Go here. I'm connecting to this instance. Like this, you can able to connect. Both it will ping. Public it will ping. Private also it will ping. See how much authorizations it is asking. Okay. See, I logged into that mission. Okay. What is that? Cat etc. Same commands I'm using. Debian, right? We have given Debian. Okay. What is the same commands I'm using now? This is one shell. This mission. This mission. Okay. This mission I connected. What is the host name? Host name. These commands. So how much space you have been allocated? 30 GB we allocated. All those things are yours only. Okay. Now, if config. If config. It's see how secured if config is not working. Use sudo. Why? Because of see 10.10. This is the thing. This is the private IP address. You got it. If you want to ping also, you can ping 10.128. 0.4. It will give reply. See, just keep on reply. Okay. It is in that. See here, loop back. We got it. Loop back means you are pinging the machine and giving the reply. For that reason, we have reserved a loopback IP addresses that starts from 127.0.0.0. Okay, like that is it will be given for you. Every machine having loopback. Public IP address. What is the public IP address? Copy. Ping. Everywhere it will ping. See, universal. Everywhere it will ping. Oh, private, it won't ping. Only in that mission, you have to configure all those things. In real time, how it will be there? Okay. All missions, database servers and application servers, web servers, Java related servers, all those things are in private. Okay. Which one is public? If it is exploring throughout the globe, then only we have public IP address. Why? Why? Because of suppose I want to book my show. For example, I want a ticket. I want a ticket in whether it is Redbus or Ola or whatever. Okay, you are reserving that application having one IP address, OLA. That is public. Only the web server will be located in publicly. You can download and you can do that. See, ping, OLA, just OLA, I think so. OLA, correct. I don't know. I see. It is not, they're restricted. Let me verify. OLA or something. Okay, Rapido is also there. We need to put correct name. Ping rapido.com. See this one? It is pinging. This is only the web server. Okay, only in front we have that application. That application having one IP address. Inside, lot of functionality it is running, right? Ticket booking, cab verifying, all those things. It will be logging into the web servers. It will be logging into the database servers. All those things are there. That is not explored throughout the globe, means internet. It's not explored to internet. Only the rapido.com, the application, that will be explored to the internet. Okay. Any doubts like this we need to build? Okay. One more. Now, if you go to the network, I'll tell you because we created, right, automatically. Now you can delete it. Delete the instance, or you can delete also. So many ways you can delete it. VPC networks. See this one. We discussed it, right? 10 dot 120 like /20/20/20 like that we have some 129. What is this? Subnets. What is this one? This we need to know. This is default networking. Okay, in real time we have to create your own network. Okay, default networking, it is there, but you have to create your own network. Now let it be. I will open one more window. Instance, go to the instance. I'm creating same instance. It will be creating in default network. That's why I'll show you. Any mission. Okay. Just yeah, I can go with some west region. Okay, any place. Small mission. Go take it one small mission. Just create it. Now it will generate one internal IP and external IP. Internal IP is nothing but private, and external IP is public. Now you can see previously, I think we created some, it is started with, okay, let it be. We'll create one more instance. Instance 4. Okay. One external, one internal has to generate. One is public. Public you can able to access. External IP anybody can access. Internal we cannot. Now if you see this one, if you see, you can segregate recommendation, in use, these things you can remove it here. It's not, I don't want in use, let it be. Okay, see this one. Now internal IP 10.138.0.3 it is generated. Second one, instance 4, it is generated with 10.166.02. Then external, this is okay, leave it. It will be whatever the things are. This only we need to verify. Why it is created this one? Why it is created 166? Why it is created 138? This is the interview questions. Why? Because of we have so many subnets are there. Okay, where we created US West 1. US West 1. See this one. Where it is, which one is started? 10.138 it is started. Okay. 10.138 it is started. For that reason, it is assigned based on that. It may confuse. We'll stop for today. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue. What is the use of subnets? Okay. And all those things we'll discuss. You may get confused because what is this? A lot of subnets are there. What is this? Like that, you may get confused. Okay. I'll tell you tomorrow. What is the /20? Can I give some other number? Okay. Can I give 20 is there? 20. Okay. Can I give 21? Can I give 24? Okay. These things we need to know. That /20 is there, right? Mean to say in this network, for example, Australia, in this network /20 means how many missions you can able to create. You can able to create 20. 4,094 missions you can create. See, number of hosts. 4,090. What is the formula for this one? This formula we need to know. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. So many things are there. Networking. Once networking has been cleared, and everything is easy for you. Go through this video.